Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make high-quality dishwash liquid at home with just a few ingredients, at a very low cost. You can make it in large quantities for your own kitchen or even sell it to earn money. It's simple, effective, and budget-friendly. If you purchase these ingredients from a wholesale market, the overall cost will be very low, and you'll be able to make this dishwash liquid in large quantity on a small budget. I bought my ingredients from a local herbal store, which made it slightly more expensive, but if you buy in bulk from the wholesale market, you'll save a lot more. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and see more useful content like this. Let's get started. Important note: use only plastic containers and plastic or wooden spoons when making this liquid. Do not use metal utensils, as sulphonic acid can damage them. Take 2.5 kilograms of hot water in a wide plastic container. Add 250 grams of shampoo base and mix thoroughly with a plastic or wooden spoon. Stir until the shampoo base is completely dissolved in the water. Add 250 grams of sulphonic acid slowly while stirring. Keep mixing to ensure it blends smoothly. The sulphonic acid and shampoo base should be in equal quantities for best results. In a separate glass bowl, add 40 grams of caustic soda. Pour in double the amount of water, about 80 milliliters, to make caustic lye. Always handle caustic soda carefully. Use gloves and allow the solution to cool down before using. Once the caustic lye has cooled, slowly pour it into the main mixture and stir well. This step enhances the cleansing power of your dishwash liquid. Add 4 tablespoons of regular salt to the mixture to thicken it. Stir until the salt is fully dissolved. You may add more salt gradually if you want a thicker consistency, but not too much. 4 tablespoons is enough. Make sure to use simple non-iodized salt, not iodized salt, when thickening the dishwash liquid. Simple salt is easily available in the market at very low prices and works best for this formulation. Now, add 1/4 teaspoon of your preferred color. I'm using orange, but you can choose any color you like. Mix until the color is evenly distributed. Use a pH strip to test the pH of the liquid. Dip the strip for a few seconds and compare the result. The pH at this stage is likely to be around 11, which is too high for safe hand use. Take a small amount of liquid in a separate bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of citric acid, mix it well, and then pour it back into the main mixture. This will lower the pH to make the liquid gentler on your hands. Check the pH again with a fresh strip. Now, the pH should be around 6, which is perfect for household dishwashing use. I also added 4 to 5 tablespoons of glycerin to make the dishwash liquid gentler on hands and give it a smooth texture. Add your choice of fragrance. Since I'm using orange color, I've added orange fragrance. If you're using yellow, go for lemon fragrance for a matching scent. Mix thoroughly to blend the fragrance into the liquid. To increase shelf life, add 1/2 tablespoon of sodium benzoate. Stir well to distribute the preservative evenly. This will help prevent bacteria or mold from developing over time. Your dishwash liquid is now ready. Take a funnel and carefully pour the liquid into clean plastic bottles. Seal them tightly, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to make effective, affordable, and safe dishwash liquid at home using simple ingredients. Use it in your own kitchen or start a small business, selling it in your community. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful DIY recipes. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.